In this video, I'll teach you something that's very, very important for the success of your social media marketing campaigns. And that applies to ads and organic posts as well. So you should consider both of these cases, but mainly and specifically more important for ads. If you have any ads that have been running for a long period of time, they will accumulate social clout. They will get comments and all that, and likes and shares. And what you want to do is you want to monitor all the messages that you get on your Facebook page, all the comments that you get on your ads, and be able to handle all of this because you can get, for example, maybe some negative comments on your ads. Maybe you can get questions that you can answer in a very good way so that you can present more of your product's features or benefits. And you can also demonstrate to others how you deal with customers. And so that gives you the opportunity to answer questions in a very, very public way. You shouldn't be deleting the bad comments. You should be answering them in a great way so that people can see if someone is just being negative or saying that your product is not good enough or that it's a scam or asking an aggressive question. You can answer them and kind of kill them with kindness so that other people can see how you treat your customers, and you can improve the performance of your campaigns. Because if you leave these comments unanswered, that might very negatively affect your campaigns. So let's take a look at what I'm talking about. We have an ad here. It's just an example ad that ran for a while, and it has some shares and some comments and some likes, right? So the important part here is that it has comments, and you should be monitoring all of these guys and answering every single one. So the question is, how do you do that? What you need to do is go to your business page, and over here, of course, you need to go to Business Manager, find your business page, open it up, and as you open it through Business Manager, your interface should look like this. It should be gray on the top, and you have your inbox and your notifications over here, as well as your publishing tools, where you can also take a look at this. But the best place to do that is the inbox and notifications. So let's first go through the inbox. Now, in the inbox, we can see that we get lots of messages through Facebook. And so with that, I will just hide this for a second. With that, you can see all of your messages. And one thing that I do recommend you do is to connect your Facebook page messenger to your live chat or to your customer service system. This is what we have done. And these messages that come on Facebook come directly into our live chat, from where we respond to each and every single one of them in a timely manner, right? So this way we don't have to monitor 700 systems to stay in touch with our potential customers. And this is very, very good because this way you make sure that you respond quickly. This will affect your page response speed, which is also displayed on your Facebook page, and it will also make sure that you won't miss any of these conversation. And you have over here both Messenger and Instagram Direct, right? So you can answer both your Messenger and Instagram communications from here, and you have your comments. Now the comments, you can see comments for Facebook and Instagram. In case that you haven't seen a comment, it would be black over here, and you can see there are some people, you know, talking about these things, and you can see some people are talking good stuff, some people are talking bad stuff, and there's free access to all courses. Maybe we could reply to this guy, and I could do that right now and say, hey, you get to access that. Now, obviously, this is one that we missed. but again, we're very, very busy. So now when these guys are black over here, they will become red, and this might mean that you might miss any of them. So what you can open, what you can do is open these guys over here, and instead of selecting the main, click done, and that this will also kind of show you the ones that you marked as done and that you went through. It's very, very important that you monitor all of these. But if there's several people doing that, some message, for example, might be marked as read, but you didn't respond to that. And so in this case, what you need to do is go to the notifications area. In the notifications area, you will see pretty much a breakdown of all your recent likes, comments, shares, and other stuff that's happening. And you can see like any activity or like mentions or shares and so on. We're not promoting this page very heavily right now, but we can see that there are some people liking our photos and so on. Now, you're not very, very much interested in the likes and the shares because there's nothing to do about them. But what you are interested in is the comments. And so when you select comments, you will see all of the comments that have not been handled over here. And you can respond to each and every single one. And when you click this, you can open that comment and maybe reply to it and say thanks. Or if the person asked a question, you could do something else and, you know, respond to them if they have any concerns and so on. This is also a very, very good way to start conversations with your customers. For example, if they're asking any questions or they raise any concerns or they have something that's missing, they will point that out and kind of discuss all of this with you, which is great because you can use the customer development technique to get feedback, learn more, and use all the information that you get from these comments and the responses that you often have to respond will provide you a lot of information about what's missing. So over time, this can help you significantly improve the performance of your campaigns. And reversely, if you don't actually handle the comments under your ads, they might spark discussions that you won't be very happy about, right? So you want to be an active part of the conversation and participate. If someone is extremely hateful, then maybe you can remove, hide, or delete their comment. If it's irrelevant, if like people start advertising their own stuff on your ads, you don't want that to be happening. So you can definitely delete these types of comments. But if anyone's being negative, it's better for you to really kill them with kindness, show others how you treat your customers, make a very, very nice and detailed response, answer their question in every single possible way, and even try to convert that customer. And this will help you improve the performance of your ads. It might get you customers. It will get you lots of important information about how you can improve your ads and landing pages by just figuring out what people are asking for, what's missing, maybe some things that they wish for, some things that they compare you with competitors and say, this guy has this, you know, or how does your product compare to that? You can't do that in your ad, but you can definitely compare your product to competitors in the comments. So that's something that you can do and kind of show how your product is better or cooler in any way. And you should definitely be doing this for every single ad campaign that you run because these comments accumulate quite quickly and you need to be handling them all the time. So kind of that's why the reason this video is titled handling messages and comments, because you do need to handle them, and this applies to pretty much all ad accounts. And I hope that you guys will do it because you will see incredible results from that, and you will gain great insights, and you might as well spark some conversations and even convert some customers, right? That's everything I have on handling comments and messages, and I'll see you guys in the next video.